Dr. Ranjan here. Today I will be discussing about face swelling in dog, why it happens, and if it happens, how to diagnose and how to proceed with treatment. Dear friends, see, generally what happens when you take your dog for a walk in park or garden area, generally you see they go on smelling everywhere. Sometime in garden around grasses there may be some insect bite, there may be some wire or some wooden sphincter, there may be some allergen available over there, and these things may cause severe allergy over face. So how to diagnose that? When you take your dog after walking to your home, just see in and around face if there is any swelling, if there is any cut area, then simply apply some antiseptic. If there is anything sticked or anything sticking on the face, just remove it, and you can even apply some lactocalamine or coconut oil over there. See, other reason why your dog may get face swelling. Mainly dogs get face swelling because of some insect bite, even in house, because they have got tendency of playing with insects like tataya. When they see tataya or honeybee, simply they jump on them and play with them. In the process they get bitten and they get severe face swelling. If you find face swelling like that, nothing to worry about. Simply take some ice cubes and do 10 to 15 minutes of fermentation. It will subside naturally. Now, sometime in the process they also consume the honeybee or tataya. If so happens, what happens? Protein available in insect's body cause severe allergic reaction in the body, and your dog may have facial swelling and swelling all over the body. If so happen, just take your dog to any veterinarian, because it may be an emergency, and for time being, if you have got any anti-allergic medicine like cetirizine, you can give them. Other reason for face swelling is abscess or any tumor. Now you have to differentiate between abscess and tumor. What happens? Abscess will be generally soft, and when you press it, it will be duffy, and you can feel that there is some liquid inside. But if it is tumor, it will be hard and it is tightly attached to the muscle mass. And if you find abscess or tumor on your dog face, immediately go to your vet. He will differentiate between abscess and tumor. Accordingly, treatment will be advised. Other problem basically is dental issue. Dental hygiene is very important, particularly in small breed animals. What happens? Generally, dogs are canines and they mean to eat hard items. But what we do, we give homemade food and dog food which is very soft in nature. So slowly tartar and plaque builds up in the mouth. So what happens? Once plaque and tartar starts building up, there is a bacterial infection in the gum, and there will be gum bleeding and infection in the gum. So that gum infection will cause severe swelling in the gum area, which will be protruding towards the cheek area. So that will cause severe swelling. So if so happen, it needs immediately veterinary help for you. And what you have to do in the house for that time being, that simply bath your dog's mouth with potassium permanganate diluted with water. Just take pinch of potassium permanganate, mix it with 1 glass of water, and simply you can go for mouth wash. You can take a bandage, roll around your hand, dip your hand in the potassium permanganate liquid, and simply just rub inside the gum. It is a very good antiseptic and it will help for time being. And take your dog to a vet who can prescribe proper treatment then. Thank you, friends. Thank you.